Imagine slashing 90% of your expenses without changing your lifestyle. Sounds impossible, right? Well, with artificial intelligence, it's not only possible, it's easier than ever. From cutting your monthly bills to automating your savings and even making smarter financial decisions, AI is transforming the way we manage money. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can leverage AI to keep more cash in your pocket effortlessly. But here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech genius to take advantage of these tools. Whether you're shopping online, investing, or running a business, AI can do the heavy lifting for you. Stay until the end, because I'll reveal a completely free AI tool that could save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every month. If you're serious about keeping more of your money, this video is a must-watch. How AI can reduce your fixed expenses. Managing your finances has never been easier, thanks to AI-powered tools that automate budgeting, track expenses, and eliminate unnecessary costs. Apps like Clio, Inab, and even ChatGPT can analyze your spending habits, categorize transactions, and alert you about subscriptions you might have forgotten about. Many people don't realize they're wasting hundreds of dollars every month on services they no longer use. In fact, one user reported saving $300 per month simply by allowing an AI app to scan their bank statements and cancel unused subscriptions automatically. Another game-changing way AI helps you save money effortlessly is through automatic price comparison. When you shop online, browser extensions like Honey, Capital One Shopping, and Pouch work in the background, scanning thousands of websites to find the best deals, discounts, and cashback offers. Instead of spending hours manually comparing prices, AI does it for you in seconds, ensuring that you never overpay for a product. Imagine this. You're about to buy something online, and just before you hit checkout, an AI extension pops up with a 20% discount coupon you wouldn't have found otherwise. That's exactly how these tools work, saving you money on autopilot. Whether it's shopping for groceries, electronics, or even booking flights, AI ensures that you get the best possible price without any extra effort on your part. And the best part? Most of these tools are completely free to use. Using AI to save on investments and businesses. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the world of investing, making it easier than ever to grow your wealth while minimizing risks. Platforms like Wealthfront and Betterment use AI-driven algorithms to automatically optimize your portfolio, ensuring your investments are properly diversified based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Instead of manually adjusting your investments, AI continuously rebalances your portfolio, adapting to market changes and maximizing your potential returns, all without you lifting a finger. This means even beginners can invest like professionals with minimal effort. For entrepreneurs and freelancers, AI is a game changer for productivity and cost reduction. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Copy.ai help businesses generate high-quality content, automate customer service, and handle administrative tasks, all without hiring extra staff. By leveraging AI for repetitive tasks, businesses can save hours of work each week and allocate resources to higher-value activities. Additionally, AI-powered video editing tools like Runway ML allow creators to produce professional-quality videos without needing expensive software or a dedicated editor, significantly reducing production costs. Small businesses are already saving thousands of dollars by implementing AI-driven solutions. For example, instead of hiring a full customer support team, companies are using AI chatbots to handle customer inquiries 24/7, cutting labor costs while improving response times. Whether it's automating financial decisions, boosting business efficiency, or enhancing content creation, AI provides an effortless way to increase profits while reducing expenses. And the best part? These tools keep getting smarter, making them an essential asset for anyone looking to save money and scale their business efficiently. How AI can cut household expenses. Artificial intelligence is making it easier than ever to cut household expenses, starting with your electricity bill. Smart energy monitoring apps like Sense analyze your power consumption in real time, identifying which appliances are using the most electricity and suggesting ways to reduce waste automatically. By using AI to optimize energy usage, some households have reported savings of up to 20% on their monthly electricity bills. These tools can even detect phantom energy drain, where electronics consume power even when turned off, helping you eliminate unnecessary costs effortlessly. Another powerful way AI helps you save money at home is by optimizing your grocery shopping. Apps like Flip and Basket compare real-time prices at different supermarkets near you, ensuring you always get the best deals. Instead of spending hours searching for discounts or manually checking prices, AI does all the hard work for you, automatically finding the cheapest place to buy your groceries. This can lead to massive savings over time, especially for families that shop regularly. AI can take grocery savings even further by creating cost-efficient shopping lists based on your habits. These smart apps analyze your previous purchases and suggest budget-friendly alternatives or alert you when items you frequently buy are on sale. Some AI-powered grocery planners can even help you reduce food waste by recommending recipes based on what's already in your fridge. By leveraging these tools, you can cut grocery expenses significantly while still maintaining a well-stocked kitchen, all without spending extra time or effort. How AI can replace expensive services. AI is revolutionizing the way we access services, making it possible to replace expensive professionals with powerful, cost-effective tools. Take language translation, for example. AI-powered tools like DeepL, Google Translate, and ChatGPT provide accurate and instant translations, eliminating the need for costly human translators. Additionally, AI-driven language learning apps offer free alternatives to expensive tutors, allowing anyone to master a new language at a fraction of the cost. Whether you're traveling, working internationally, or studying a new language, AI makes it easier and cheaper than ever. Graphic design and content creation are other areas where AI is saving people thousands of dollars. Instead of hiring professional designers, AI-powered platforms like Canva AI, Midjourney, and DALL-E allow anyone to create high-quality visuals, logos, and social media graphics effortlessly. Businesses and content creators can now generate professional-looking designs within minutes, reducing the need for expensive freelancers or agencies. These tools don't just cut costs, they also speed up the creative process, making branding and marketing more efficient and accessible. Even video and photo editing, services that used to require expensive software and skilled professionals, are now easily handled by AI. Tools like Rimini and Topaz Labs can enhance low-quality images, upscale videos, and apply advanced effects with just a few clicks. One content creator reported saving over $1,000 per month by replacing a full-time video editor with AI-driven tools, maintaining high-quality production while drastically cutting costs. Whether you're a freelancer, business owner, or content creator, AI is making professional-grade editing more affordable, faster, and accessible than ever before. As you've seen, artificial intelligence is a game-changer when it comes to saving money. Whether it's cutting household expenses, optimizing investments, replacing expensive services, or finding the best deals, AI is making it easier than ever to keep more cash in your pocket effortlessly. From smart budgeting apps to AI-powered design and automation tools, these innovations are helping people save thousands of dollars every year. And the best part is, many of them are completely free. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these AI tools have you already tried, or which one are you most excited to use? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more money-saving tips using AI. Your future finances will thank you.